The wife is disobedient, divorce her. Ya akhi, wait. Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Quran that those wives from whom you fear arrogance, first advise them. 1 month of advising. Then if they persist, forsake them in bed. Don't have any intimacy. Show them that you don't desire them. And if they persist, finally strike them lightly. Not with a baseball bat. Not from the very beginning, boom. No, this is gradual. And this is for the goodness of the marriage. You don't beat a wife just out of the blue. You have these instructions in the Quran, and the beating has to be in accordance to Islam. So it has to be with a miswak that doesn't leave mark, doesn't shed blood, doesn't break a bone. It's something symbolic to show her that you have reached the end of the rainbow. If nothing is fixed, then divorce can be resorted to. You have to also look for solutions outside of the box. Sometimes the solution is not in front of you. Yani, for example, don't always think it's black and white. One is wrong, one is right. No, sometimes you have to compromise. Likewise, Ka'b ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, was a rich man. He gave a loan to someone, and that someone did not have money to pay back. So Ka'b started asking for his money. That's his right. And the man said, Wallahi, I don't have. And they started shouting in the masjid. So the Prophet looked at them in the masjid. He said, what's the problem? Ka'b said, I gave him money long back and he's not returning it. And the man says, Prophet, I don't have. So the Prophet said, how much is it? Ka'b said, XYZ. So the Prophet said, Ka'b, take half of it and leave half. Yani forgive him in half of the debt. And he said to the man, give him half of the debt. Ka'b said, okay, half is better than nothing. And the man is happy because now I can afford half, but not the full payment. So problems can be solved. But if we try to do this with a good intention and with loving one another, wallahi, we will have a good life and a good community.